Hey everybody, this is Peter. I'm here at Kriete Truck Center in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. We're looking at a 2021 MACK AN64T sleeper. 325,000 miles on it. MP8 engine, 445 horsepower. M-Drive, 12-speed automatic transmission. From our leasing department, we've taken really good care of it. We do have financing available. This truck does have another 1.25 years of warranty on engine and emissions. Come out to Kriete Truck Center Sheboygan. You can see this truck and lots of trucks just like it. You can reach me at 920-934-0867. Have a great day.